What you're gonna see here are the trees, like weed trees, some apple trees, some vines, but they wrap all the way around my property. So I got the Kombi out here, the KM111R, and I cut these back probably, some areas up to 3 feet every year. This little device, it's a little bit heavy, but it really does the job. You can go down low, go up high. Now, do you make a plan to do your shrubbery every year, or do you just let it grow? I know some people like to have theirs just look natural. Every year I trim mine. Sometimes I trim them in different shapes. What you see here is the crimson barberry. Has little bitty thorns, real prickly inside of there. But it is my favorite shrub because it turns green or red or a goldish color every, few weeks. It's just always like it's a different color. Very, very nice shrub. This little tree here, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, Rasmussen, I believe it is. It's a miniature Japanese maple. Had it for years, and what it does is the branches grow. They'll grow all the way out into the lawn, but it will not go taller. So sometimes I trim it down to make it look like a bonsai, and sometimes I just let the branches run. Need a little sip of coffee here. Keep myself going. What I'm using is just a regular battery powered Black & Decker trimmer, but now I'm getting this golden spirea. It's got kind of green goldish leaves, but it has purple flowers on it, and if you put it in the sun, it really gets a lot of flowers. And you can trim that up. You can make it in different shapes if you want. So I tend to make things round. I like that type of design. And then right here, you're going to see the purple leaf sand cherry. Now, this tree will grow really, really wild. Not too tall, but if you keep it trimmed down low and just have the leaves on top like I have, it makes for a very nice showpiece. People generally put them in right in front of a window because you can trim it to whatever height you want. But if you don't trim it, it will grow very, very wild. Found a little piece I gotta knock off right there. Now here's another barberry bush. I may have said bayberry before. Barberry bush. Beautiful, just beautiful. It's red tips. You trim it up and it's the green. Then the sun will hit it the next day, then it'll be red again. But you can make it a nice round. Like I said, you got to be careful because it has wee little thorns in there, and they are extremely sharp. Now we'll go over here with the little Black & Decker trimmer, and all of this is on one charge. This is a burning bush. Turns very, very bright red in the fall, but it makes a nice, beautiful hedge during the summertime. One of my favorite bushes again, and I like to keep it trimmed up. I could let it grow into like one big square, but I usually don't do that. I usually have to trim this maybe 3 times a year. And there you go. Please subscribe. I really appreciate the comments, so if you put a comment down there, we can answer it and then everyone can see the comment. I'd really appreciate that too. So this is Lon Jenkins, and I'll see you the next time.